Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sliding door. Okay, so let's get into it. Right. So first, come to customize. Okay. Then next we go to call aluminium door. Okay. Click here. Okay. Then when you come this, you saw this mode, and this is called winter garden. All right. So but we're not going to go into winter garden, but if you go winter garden, it will be the same. All right. So now just click the wall like this. Double click in. Okay, you have your wall. Alright, next come here, sliding door. Okay, so I'm kind of lazy, so I will just bring an auto. Okay, put here like this. So if I want a full wall become a sliding door. Alright, so just use like that. So to create a sliding door, always must remember this. Okay, press this one here. So this replace or not. Okay, replace top rail. Okay, and then replace bottom rail. Okay, I go down a little bit, drag up, right? Middle mouse click to drag up and down. Okay, this one, replace bottom rail. Okay, so it will look something like this. After that, it comes the turnable fence. Okay, you saw a sliding door. Okay, so let's say I use this one, I use 6 one, alright? Once you're done, a sliding door, okay, you just press complete. Then you will have a sliding door. Alright, then I show you one more time. This time I make it slightly smaller, okay, and I show you reason why you may need to do top rail and bottom rail. So once you're in the mode, double click, okay, double click here in like that, okay, show you again, yeah, repeat like that, double click, okay, next you drag this one auto, you put like this. So this time I set a little bit difference, so I make this one is around how many? This one I go 800 800. Okay, this size I go 56 never mind so I just adjust alright, just roughly adjust. Okay, look like this. Okay, so the reason why I asked you guys to press what you see when I take the normal fence, so now this area lack of rail, so the only solution is come here, this one replace top rail, select this one, replace, then bottom rail. Okay, so you cannot middle mouse click drag. Okay, same bottom rail. Okay, after that drag one, put, press complete. Okay, you got sliding door, one bigger, one smaller. Alright, this is the sliding door. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.